Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iron and environment so you avoid damage and wasted time. Fill the tank to the marked max with recommended water, distilled if your area has hard water. Once filled, plug in and choose the correct fabric temperature. The indicator light tells you when it's ready. Test: a quick steam burst over a sink to clear air pockets. If steam comes steady, you're ready to press. If not, bleed the line by holding the steam button briefly. Once the iron is steaming reliably, you focus on technique to get crisp results. For shirts and drapes, use vertical steam. For trousers and shirts laid flat, use horizontal strokes. Move the iron continuously, roughly 2 to 3 seconds per small area, to prevent shine or scorch marks. For tough creases, apply a short steam burst while holding fabric taut. For delicate materials, keep the sole plate 1 to 2 centimeters away and use lower heat. Make sure to turn fabric and press collars and hems carefully. To finish, you power down correctly and care for the iron so it lasts. Turn off and unplug, then empty the water tank to prevent deposits. Wipe the sole plate only when cool. For ongoing performance, run the anti-scale or descaling routine every few months or as your manual recommends. If you suddenly lose steam, first confirm there's water and proper heat, then descale and test the steam button. If noise or leaks persist, stop use and contact service. That prevents damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.